Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming part 1 of my spring cleaning series.
You have to be your biggest fan.
So I haven't filmed one of these obviously since last year, and my videos of my spring cleaning for 2021 did super well, so I wanted to do them again as I'm going to be doing my spring cleaning again. And since then I've accumulated a lot of things, a lot of like documents and clothes and all that kind of stuff, so I really want to go through all of my things. And also I'm going to be moving out in the next year, so I also wanted to go through my stuff, do a good clean, and I want to do this annually and kind of like get rid of the things that I don't wear anymore, because I'm sure there's things that I literally have not touched since last year's clean with me, and get rid of stuff, donate things. My plan today is to, number one, clean the mess behind me. I have like coats and like dirty clothes and vitamins and all that kind of like bunch of weird things, so I want to go through and clean all of that. I want to vacuum, like do like a regular clean, and then I'm going to go through, I have these cubes behind me here, and I really want to like decrease the amount of stuff that I have. And then I also want to go through, I have a big yellow storage armoire right here that I want to go through. I have a lot of stuff that needs to be condensed because when I move, I'm moving into a 2-bedroom condo, which does not have the amount of storage that this house has. So I really need to decrease all of the things that I have and really just bring the things that I like. But if you haven't seen one of my videos before, hi, I'm literally Lydia on YouTube. I do all sorts of different content. I do cleaning, I do organizing, I do budgeting, I do hauls. I really do a bunch of different lifestyle types of videos. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you. So tip number 1 is to start with a clean area. When you're doing a big organization project, it's great to start with a clean area so that you can go forward and clean everything easily and organize things easier. And going into tip number 2, it's great to work smarter, not harder, and organize similar things together so you reduce the amount of time you have to spend on organization projects. Okay, so now I have my office clean enough. Ooh, glare on my glasses. So now I have my office clear enough and clean enough. So I have all the bed cleaned off, I vacuumed, I cleaned the surfaces, like, you know, put everything away, put everything in piles for laundry, all that kind of stuff. So basically it's clean enough that I can work on it now. But now I'm going to go through this right here, which is like the biggest organizational thing that I have for like all of my clothes. Like I have random stuff up there. I have like pants here, so I have like a mix of like leggings and like just a bunch of random stuff. And there's some stuff here that I'm probably gonna sell as well, just because I have too much. And then I have jeans over here, which are pretty folded and pretty organized, which is fine. And then I have like shorts and skirts here, like activewear stuff. I have my laser, and then I have like my workout tank tops, workout pants, and I think I even have sweaters up here too. Like everything's just disorganized, and none of the bins match, which I do have matching bins for everything. And then I have pajamas down here and bathing suits down there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything around, and I'm going to try to find all of the matching bins so I can organize everything together, because I have cubes here, I have cubes here, and then I also have cubes in my basement. So I'm going to go find matching cubes and put them all in here, and then we can better organize the stuff. And I even have like these mugs up here, which I'm going to be taking to my condo. So I might take these downstairs and put them with the other stuff that I'm going to be taking when I move out. So I just so everything looks a little bit more cleaner. I have books up there, like, so I just need to really go through everything. And I might move my bathing suits up to the top because it's not summer yet, just so they're better organized. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to have to take everything pretty much out. I might like vacuum the shelves and clean the shelves, and then I'll put stuff back in. But we got a long road ahead. Okay, so I just went downstairs and I picked up some more of these bins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all the clothes, take them all out, and I'm going to replace the black bins so they all match, so that's like more cohesive when you open the closet. And then I'm just going to move some things around based on like time of year and when I'm using it and stuff, just to make it cleaner and so you can get things better, because right now it's a mess. Okay, let's do it. So tip number 3 is to make a donation pile, things that you think someone else could use, and you can donate it to a charity near you, or also make a garbage pile, stuff that would be no good to anybody. And as you can see, I'm starting to sort like items together, so putting all of my university sweaters together, putting all my athletic wear together, and I find that's just easier because then you know where things go. Tip number 4 is to organize your clothes by season. As you can see here, I'm organizing my summer clothes, so putting all my shorts, skirts, and that kind of stuff in one bin so it's easy to find when it's summer season. Tip number 5 is to put your most used clothes at the top. As you can see, I'm putting my Lululemon tops at the top of this bin because I use them and wear them the most, as they're my favorite. Tip number 6 is to organize by sleeve length and color. So I always organize my tops by like short sleeve, tank top, long sleeve, and then I'll further organize them by color, as I find it's the easiest way to find your clothes. This is what it looks like now. I have bathing suits in this one. I have half of my pajamas up here, so like my summery pajamas are in here. I have jeans, which basically just stay the same. They're all folded here nicely, and I do the Marie Kondo fold. And then these are all of my like Lululemon activewear pants. So these are all my black on the fly. Like they're more of like, they're not leggings, so I kind of divide them by leggings and then just by like a lines or like jogger style, that kind of stuff. Leather leggings, all of that kind of stuff is right here. And then half of my yoga wear is, or like my active wear is in the washer. So these are just all of my leggings, which just happens to be all of my colored leggings. So I have all of my Align pants, and then I have 3 pairs of Fabletics, a pair of Aerie leggings, and then a pair of Joe Fresh leggings. I have my laser, and then you saw me fold all of my activewear tops. So I put Lululemon on this side, and then I further divided underneath by short sleeve and then by tank top. So tank tops are all on this side. And I always put Lululemon on the top because that's what I reach for the most. In here is all my shorts. So activewear shorts and skirts and all of that kind of stuff. So that's all the way down here. And I divided that by Lululemon. And then on the other side is just other brands. And then going down here further, I have all of my university sweaters. So I like to wear like my old university sweaters, like just around the house and stuff. So I have these all folded in here. And then this is all of my other sweaters that are not university sweaters. So like I have a Rose Apothecary sweater, I have like a Lululemon jacket, a North Face jacket, and all that kind of stuff. And then I just put some of my bathrobes over here, and then below is empty. So that is what it looks like. It looks so much better. So whenever I'm done finished of my laundry, I'm going to fold it all and put it all away, but it looks so much better. I made a pile of things that I'm going to sell, and then, which is basically just like old Lululemon and Fabletics clothes that I have, and then everything else I put into a pile to donate. So I'm going to wash it all, and then I'm going to take it to like the local like Bibles for Missions or something like that, so I can give that away so someone else can wear it and use it. But I really don't have that much compared to last year. I donated so much more. I'll just show you the pile right now. So this is the pile. It's not super huge. It's just like a lot of old sweaters and things that I just know that I'm not going to wear, that I haven't reached for in the last year. So that's the pile right now. It's definitely going to get bigger with my closet and then with all my stuff downstairs. But so far it's a lot of just pajamas and stuff that either doesn't fit me or that I don't reach for and that kind of thing. But yeah, that is today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. That definitely took longer than I thought it was going to just to do this cabinet, and I'm gonna have to split up the video more and do my other areas because that took a long time, but it definitely looks so much better. I can't believe how much of a difference it is, and it's going to be so much easier to put stuff away because there's less stuff in there, so it just looks cleaner and more organized. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Wow.